This is something that took me years to realize. I don't think that most of us think about this when we're packing for vacation. When I'm going to be traveling somewhere, I look up photos of the places I'm going to be going specifically in that country or city or state, and I see kind of what the scheme of colors is. So here's a great example. Let's say you're going to Ireland and it's really lush and green, and you know that you're going to want a lot of photos out in nature. Look up a color wheel online and then look at the opposite side of the color wheel to the colors you're looking at. For example, with green, the opposite side would be red. So a red rain jacket or a red dress would look beautiful for a photo in Ireland out in nature. So that is kind of what I do nowadays, and I encourage you to kind of maybe look up photos other people have also taken in those places. You'll notice that whenever someone's clothing contrasts really nicely with the background, the photo just kind of looks so much better effortlessly, and it's really a lot to do with the choice of clothing. This potentially can save you a lot of Photoshop time, I'm not sure. I've never tried to Photoshop the colors, but I've been tempted. I've almost tried to Photoshop the colors of my clothes. And it might save you some heartache if photos and videos are super important to you when you're traveling. I do love having really great photos. Those are kind of what I consider my souvenirs when I travel. I don't like to collect too many things. And so since the photos are my souvenirs, I want to make sure that they're coming out the best that they can. I hope that that was helpful for y'all, and I'll continue to make more videos with tips and hopefully some travel vlogs pretty soon. So please subscribe to my channel and follow along on my adventures, and hopefully some of my tips will help you. Bye!